Mastering the phrase, "It's about time." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and make learning fun and easy. Today, we're exploring a very common and useful phrase, "It's about time." This phrase can be a little tricky for English language learners, so we're going to break it down, give you some examples, and help you understand exactly when and how to use it. Let's get started. "It's about time" is a phrase used to indicate that something has happened or should happen now, and perhaps should have happened earlier. It can express a range of emotions including relief, impatience, or urgency, depending on the context. For example, if someone arrives late to a meeting, you might say, "It's about time you got here," showing a mix of relief and mild frustration. When showing relief or satisfaction, in contexts where something positive happens after a long wait, "It's about time" expresses relief or satisfaction. For example, if your friend finally gets a job after months of searching, you might say, "It's about time you found a job." Congratulations! When expressing frustration or impatience, the phrase can also show frustration or impatience over a delay. If a decision is made after unnecessary delays, saying, "It's about time they made a decision," underscores your frustration with the wait. In a humorous or sardonic tone, sometimes "it's about time" is used humorously or sarcastically to make light of the delay. For instance, if you beat your friend in a game they've always won, you might say, "It's about time I won," with a laugh. Be mindful of your tone. The phrase can be sensitive to tone and context. A friendly tone can express relief or happiness, while a sharp tone can convey annoyance or criticism. Understand your audience, be aware of the relationship and the situation. Using this phrase in formal settings or with people you're not close to might require a more careful approach. Combine with body language. Nonverbal cues like a smile or a nod can help convey the intended emotion, whether it's relief, humor, or frustration. And that's a wrap on "It's About Time." We hope this video has shed light on how versatile and expressive this phrase can be in English. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your fluency but also help you express a wide range of emotions and reactions more naturally. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!